Our second question है, so that is what the maximum value of the function. So this is fx equal to so this is x cube, ठीक है, 2x cube. So this is 2x cube minus 15x square plus 36x minus 48, ठीक है, where a is the set of all those x such that x square plus 20, ठीक है, plus 20 is less than 9x. ठीक है, इसको सॉल्व करो. So this is x square minus 9x plus 20 is less than 0. So to get x minus 4 into x minus 5 is less than equal to 0. So to get x का जो वैल्यू है इस रेंज में है. So this is 4 से 5. ठीक है, क्लियर. हमें क्या चाहिए? हमें तो मैक्सिमम वैल्यू चाहिए. The maximum value of this expression. ठीक है, क्लियर. एक बार करोगे. So this is f dash x फाइंड करो. f dash x is what? 6x square minus 30x. So this is plus 36. So to get you take common this minus 5x plus 6. So to get so this is x minus 2 and x minus 3. So here what you do here is सारी पॉइंट चेक करोगे. f dash is equal to 0 bigger than 2 and 3 and ये दो पॉइंट चेक करना है. So that is what? ठीक है. So this is 4 as well as 5. So therefore t for 2 का वैल्यू क्या हुआ? इन x का वैल्यू लिखो. This is 16 minus 16. So this is 72 minus 48. So this is 58 minus 108. So this is what? So this is like this. A for 3 का वैल्यू क्या है? and A for 3 का वैल्यू 54. And so this is 9 135. So this is 108 minus 48. So this is and so this is so this is what you get 162 minus so this is minus 21. And so this is A for 4. A for 4 का वैल्यू क्या है? 64 128. And so this is 16. 16 is what? So this is 240. And so this is we have 16 into 15 240. So this is 144. ठीक है, minus 48. So that is इधर ऐड करो. And so this is कितना देखो 288. 288 का मतलब कितना है? So this is 16. And A for 5. A for 5 का वैल्यू क्या है? So this is 250 minus 25 375. And so this is 180 minus 48. So that is what देखो. And so this is so that is equal to 7. ठीक है, हमें क्या फाइंड करना था? हमें फाइंड करना था मैक्सिमम वैल्यू. So this is the maximum. Maximum वैल्यू क्या है? So this is maximum value equal to 7 है. Suppose इसी क्वेश्चन में मिनिमम वैल्यू पूछता, so minimum value is this. ठीक है, so that means minimum value equal to -21 and so this is maximum value equal to 7. तो इस क्वेश्चन में पूछा है maximum value. Maximum value क्या है?